Okay. Hi. My daily routine. My day starts at 5 p.m. and finish at 9:30 or 10 p.m. I get at 5 a.m. After I take a shower. After I take a shower, I wash my teeth and go to my job in 6. 2 p.m. and after I go home for having lunch. After I help to my with their until maybe 5 because I play soccer with some friends at 5 p.m. 6:30 or 7. We'll have dinner with the family. After I have dinner with my family, we'll visit some friends or my son and my daughter. When we arrive home again, 8 or 8:30 p.m. with some series, Netflix series, Vis-a-Vis, Flight Lighting, CSI, and others. And more or less at 9:30 or 10 p.m. we go to bed to sleep because we need to rest for the next day. Normally, this is my daily routine. Okay, bye.